Uh, because hello again from me, Yusuf. Because our latest version is not showed our my screen. It's paused my screen. It share my own camera only. I'm sorry, related to facing this issue, and I will solve it inside this small video. That's when I try to be npm start to test our working project. That we see all of this. That our Mongo URI loaded and our MongoDB connected successfully. User OSDB running migration complete. Server running on C localhost over 3000. Receive will come from developer Yusuf Al-Jahim user authentication API. Visit slash API docs for Swagger UI. Then if we visit this dash slash API docs. We found it all our APIs we need if we are going to test it. Okay, that's email already exists. Password B, capital A, lower at special character 123 for our numbers. Change the email to be not another email. User registered successfully. Try to see our login. Okay, then we found to be if we are going to be test. Okay, testing, and we found the token. If I log it out, log out. If you log it out successfully, when I try to re-log in, I will find another token, and if we were going to be try with another, if my password is incorrect, invalid credential, we cannot able to do our login. Testing it online. Let's see the link from here. Okay, then we can test it online by online server. Then we put it here inside our search. A same API will come from developer Yusuf and user application visit our API slash API docs to test our APIs. Let's put it here and to search. Let's go to inside our server live demo. Choose the second server. Choose the second on. Let's to test our APIs. That's try it out. When I test it, that's it get it for me. That email is already exists. That if I remove it at example.com, user registered successfully by example, then user at gmail.com by example. Then it's user registered successfully. Let's test this email by example by login. Same at try it out. Let's remove .com. It's invalid credential. Let's change pick a valid email and get a change the path. It's invalid credential. It's to be the correct path. Let's give it to me a token. If I log it out, save the testing, execute. I will see logged out successfully. If I try another login, he'll give to me another token. And that's all about our testing API and our task. Hope you are grateful about my group, my progress. I'm happy to see your feedback and your comment below the video on the YouTube by comment, by like, by comment, and you can by LinkedIn. If you see it by the post of LinkedIn, please keep break for us a small comment and feedback about your watching, about the testing. If you have any comment, if you are a developer, if you are a watching, then anything put for us anything inside the comment to be professional, and that's all. Happy to see you later, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all things. See you later.